Hail to you, champions. Hail to you, champions, and welcome.
Do it one more time. Just keep going. Keep doing it until you get it
Hail
right.
to you, champions, and welcome to another episode of Elderborn. And if this is one of your first adventures with us, my name is Ishka TV, Paladin in training, and joining forces with me today, is the one and only Goof Guy.
Hey, sup, Goof Troopers. I'm here to heckle the crap out of the speedrun because your mom is thick. And Ishka has taken off his armor because he needs all the speed he can get.
I have. So this is the second stage of Elderborn. The first one, in the previous episodes, you saw both Goof and I go back and forth in the catacombs and fighting Jannis. And so now, here you get to see us.
No, fighting your mom. Oh yeah, fighting Jannis.
Now we're in your mom.
No, we're in your mom.
Nah, that's where we are. That's where we are.
That sounded so wrong.
So the build we decided to go with, again, this is doubling down on the speed run. We got movement speed, we got attack speed, we got a little bit of resilience. I think we're gonna stick to just all movement speed, right?
Up to you, whatever you.
I'm gonna get some might.
I prefer to just jump speed. That's all.
If I can get just 5 points of might, I think we'll be in a good situation.
Let's see it. Let's see it, Paladin.
All right.
Meanwhile, I'm just gonna juggle my balls here because like this is a speed run right now. We don't even have a timer up.
You don't. That's the type of quality you see only here.
Hey, where's your squire? Don't you need one to actually juggle balls for you while you're polishing your armor?
That's only if I got the armor on. I didn't put on any armor. I didn't put on any armor specifically for this, so we could just play, tear through.
Damn.
Look at this. I already got the skull crush. Who needs armor
Bloody
when you
hell,
can just?
fast.
We're gonna keep doing this.
Not bad, dude. Not bad.
If we can. So the first tower we're gonna be going to here. Well, we're gonna head into the red city, the slums. Oh, that's actually the blue tower.
Okay. Why not using the big fat and the thick one? Why are you not using this bad boy?
Because I'm going for headshots.
Yeah, pull out the big one. The one that goes. That one.
What are you
Not
talking
that one,
about?
the other one. Bear with me here. I'm gonna do it. Oh boy, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, this is gonna be.
I'm glad you're having fun with this, Goof.
I know, because I'm like quietly waiting for you down here. All I have is love for you, bad boy. Just love. I'm the guy filled to the brim with love for heckling. Okay, I'm perfect for that one.
Love. You gotta do it with love. I think I'm gonna get overran here actually in just a second. Maybe.
You got this.
We'll see.
You pull out the sword of Anus, they all run away.
Okay, we'll see.
Come on, kick his bomb. There you go. See, look at that. You don't even need to swing it. You just need to stab it. Can't even do shit. Don't die though.
Death is for the weak.
Well done. Red tower right off. That's a record, alright? An absolute record. Actually, I'm gonna call it a home run. I'm trying something dumb and it doesn't work.
What are you doing? Like a voice recorder?
I'm trying to use the rhythm of my voice to actually set off the glasses.
The rhythm of the night. Oh.
Oh god. Like, what do I want to call this? Oh yeah, here's an idea. Yeah, this is a great idea. Nobody found out about this. It's right there.
No one will know.
I'm not sure if you can see it. Moving really slowly.
Oh, well, you can't turn up
really. Come on, there we go.
Can you change it to purple? There you go. That ram though.
Oh god.
Oh, that's cool.
Shameless. I'm just gonna keep it on now.
Just leave it going. There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I got one better. I've got one better. All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. Hype it up for the goof. Goof hype.
Goof. How many presets can you have in that?
Well, I'm using my phone, so I can add whatever I want. So I can also heckle you in a different manner. Hold up a second. Send it. All right, there you go. Words say everything.
You're what? Is it pure luck?
Pure luck.
Jeez.
Come on, dude. My sunglasses are up now. I mean, my clip-ons are up now. What are you gonna do? All right, you gotta show us.
Now he's being serious.
All right, now you gotta do it. Okay, bring it. Come on. We still got 2 more towers to do, dude.
Well, you know what to say. The first one's the hardest. You gotta get in the groove. You gotta get used to it.
That's what your mom said.
Jur'mum. And Jur'mum's really putting a good fight up right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a tip, alright?
Oh yeah? What's that? Don't get hit?
Hang on. Yeah, here's your tip.
Use
Alright,
Jannis sword. You're all about that weapon, huh?
there you go. Alright, because it's long, thick, and you know where to put it.
You know where to put it.
You know where to put it.
Come here, there we go. Alright.
Come on, man, my green tea is getting warm here. This sucks.
You
fighting the disco
slide on.
guy. Fighting the disco. Man, I bring music, but it ain't working. Wait, I can bring the music. Hold up.
Where'd he go? Hello?
Hold up, it's possible.
Oh, there he is.
Oh no.
What
it's
is
not
this? Do you see this? He teleported into the wall.
possible. My kind of heckler. Cheat.
Man, he's like, oh, you thought you were gonna destroy me?
This is fun. I can do stupid shit here with this thing. Oh, perfectly good.
Well,
It's
I'm not. Just wait. The next time you're playing a game, I hope you remember this. I hope you have all the joy in your heart right now.
I did it the last time, alright? I did this the last time.
I want you to have
okay? And I did
all
it
the
with
joy
the
in your
glasses
heart,
on, which
because I will
couldn't see.
remember every word, every pixel that you're bringing right now. I wonder if okay, let's see if we can actually do a legit speed run here. Probably can't, but we'll see.
I don't think you can do this one either.
Well, there's things I need here. Let's see.
Oh?
I need at least one. I need this for sure. Okay.
I didn't see what you needed. Pure
Follow
luck.
me.
What the hell?
Pure calculated.
I saw that you were fumbling through everything. Good God, dude. You stumble harder with the armor. I mean, without the armor than with the armor.
Yeah,
What
it
the
keeps me grounded. Aha! Reset!
Oh my God, what a cheese move. Well done.
That's what I did.
Well done.
Cheesed the whole way through.
Cheese. That's the goof way. Okay, the goof way.
It is the
Cheese.
goof way. And then you like pull a bandana down.
Just flip it over right from behind. It's like a helmet visor.
Okay.
Oh my God, man, you went straight for his knee, the poor guy. He's like a Skyrim god, man. You did him like a meme.
I don't want to marry him.
You did him like a meme. Not marry. What?
Do you get the joke?
No.
The joke?
You.
Oh
That's
my
a dad
God,
joke
Goof.
level that I've never seen before.
The guards
That's
in
probably
Skyrim,
granddad
when he
joke.
says, I used to be an adventurer like you, and then I took an arrow to the knee, he's talking
Oh, you're not
specifically.
gonna explain it? Now you
Yeah,
have to.
I'm gonna have to. That's another dadism, I guess. Here we go. I just nerd-splained Skyrim to you. Are you dead?
This is
Yeah,
my
he's dead.
response. This is my response right there.
Oh, I hate shield guys!
There you go, done.
Oh. It would be a shame if somebody came in and busted your brain in.
Tron guy number 2 down.
See,
That was
Tower 2, that was a lot
And
better
this is
this
weapon.
time. His weapon doesn't do anything for you.
It was pretty good with stabbing things, but that's what she didn't
Oh.
enjoy it. So
Pick this up. All right,
come on, go for it.
how many of them? I need one more. Here we go.
Yeah,
We're
dude,
moving.
you're going so
We're
fast.
moving. We're grooving.
You're going
Moving
faster up
to
these
the-
stairs than that bloody slope in the tower.
Well, I'm looking for. There we go. That's what I wanted.
Damn, you figured it out. Holy shit. It would have taken me half an hour just to find all these things. Damn, dude. Get wrecked.
Just.
He shot you in the gut with that thing. It's like, oof, winded you.
Oh.
Almost there.
Ah! Oh.
Oh, sandwiched. Come on.
Can I?
Well done. Oh, cheese out that direction. Then you jump off the bloody tower. Not bad. Oh, you can't jump that distance anyway.
I think I can.
Okay, good. You didn't die. Perfect.
Thank
Well
goodness.
done there, Paladin.
More like a rogue at this point. Love and justice, all right?
It's and high fives, all right, and face palms too.
You're putting too many things in creed. You made a manifesto instead of a creed.
No, a manifesto is something you say all night to your mom.
You're really about this mom stuff.
Oh. Why not? At least I don't fool around with dads.
Hey, dad needs love too.
See, look at that. So I'm gonna type that one out too. Ishka loves dads.
Yeah, I'm a dad and I love dads. We dads need to stick together.
If I keep typing this shit out, we're gonna get demonetized. Actually, we're not even monetized. Poop, cheese, and balls is good enough.
Ooh, that hurt. That hurt.
Really? Tell that to him. You keep stabbing him in the gut. Last one, you got no heals.
There's not last one. Oh, I should be.
You better pull out that Jannis launcher. Look at that thing. Oh wow, he just. You completely negated all his forward momentum.
Who needs? These silly things do so much damage.
Silly things? No, those are good balls.
It's his balls. See, Goof, these balls, this is what it would look like if you knew how to use magic, like real magic.
Finish him. Wow, one hit. He just went flying.
There we go.
Poor guy.
3 towers down.
The disco's up. He got boosted so hard, he got sent to tomorrow, buddy. He got sent to tomorrow. Squeeze those cheeks, baby. Squeeze those cheeks good.
Look at this. I've never... Did they do an update to the game? I've never had them port behind me like that.
Now he's complaining about an update. Oh my god. Come on, man. Don't let that fat guy kick your ass. Oh, good job. Well, that's one. I'm going to fight his sister. Good luck. She's going to whoop you so hard. She's going to send you back to your mom.
Oh, clever.
That was a good one. Well done. Oh! Oh, look at that. You smacked her so hard, her head went backwards.
Oh, I thought I missed it.
Oh.
Whew. I thought I missed that for a second. This should be it. Wow.
Really?
It should have been. Guess I was wrong.
She's in mom mode right now. She's like, how
she's
dare
close.
you?
I know she's close to death.
Look
at it. That's... They changed something. Oh, there we go. There we go. That is a dead boss. That is complete. Level 2. Finished. Done. Finito. This is the completion of level 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if this is your first time in our adventures, or if you enjoyed it, or if you're coming back, click like. Don't forget to subscribe, because the next time we play, it's going to be Goof Guy, and I vow to you that I will be unrelenting in the heck. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. My name is Ishka TV. You can see down here. You can find me everywhere on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, all that fun stuff, and the same with my counterpart tonight, Goof Guy.
Yeah, Twitch and YouTube.
Great. There you go. And the links will also be down in the description below. So thank you guys for hanging out, and we will see you next time.